We have exciting news. You're in the right place because today we're unveiling a breakthrough in e-recruitment. Meet Tara Nawa, a pioneer in cutting-edge e-recruitment and e-procurement solutions, now giving you exclusive access to our powerful e-recruitment database. What's the scoop? We prioritize the security of all sensitive and confidential information, but today we're giving you a sneak peek into the revolutionary features that make our platform a game changer. What's next? Getting started is simple. Click the link in this video's description to explore live, constantly updated data and witness e-recruitment in action. The link is always active, so check in anytime to see how we're transforming the way job seekers and employers connect. Spread the word? Let's create a movement. Like, share, and invite your network, friends, colleagues, and beyond to experience the future of recruitment. And there's more. This is just the beginning. Stay tuned for even more. Together, we're shaping the future of opportunities. Let's make it happen. Revolutionize your hiring with Tara Nawa's game-changing application evaluation tool. At Tara Nawa, we don't just make hiring easier, we make it effortless and smarter. Say goodbye to time-consuming shortlisting and hello to a tool designed to identify top talent with precision and speed. What makes our tool your ultimate ally? In just seconds, it evaluates applicants based on key criteria such as ranking and qualifications, location, fields of study and education level, gender, race, age and disability status, employment history, including previous employers and current status, expected salary. Spot the talent you trust with our exclusive ex-employee filter, which highlights candidates who've worked with your company before, ensuring you don't miss familiar, reliable stars. Beyond the technology, Tara Nawa doesn't stop at advanced tools. We offer optional due diligence services so you can be sure your candidates are verified and qualified. Want deeper insights? Our psychometric assessments cover behavioral tendencies, personality traits, integrity checks. Empower your hiring decisions with confidence. With Tara Nawa by your side, you're not just filling positions, you're building a future with the right people in the right roles. Ready to transform the way you recruit? Tara Nawa is here to lead the way. Looking to land your dream job? Welcome to Tara Nawa's channel, your partner in career success. Here is all about you. We're here to inspire, guide, and help you take bold steps toward the career you've always wanted. From finding the perfect job to creating a CV that shines and crafting a cover letter that gets noticed, we're by your side every step of the way. This is more than job hunting. It's about fueling your confidence, unlocking your potential, and celebrating every win, no matter how small. Keep striving, keep growing. Love what we're doing? Give us a thumbs up, it means the world. Do you know others chasing their dreams? Share our videos and let's spread the motivation. When you do, you're not just creating opportunities for yourself, you're opening doors for others too. And don't forget to subscribe. Every tip, trick, and story we share is designed to help you move closer to your goals. With every video, we're cheering you on, no matter where you are in the world. Signing off with excitement and encouragement, we're rooting for you every step of the way. Until next time, take care, dream big, and remember, greatness is just one step away.